I'll do it.
Okay, we're out here on the bypass. We're going 66 miles an hour, and it's banging. You hear that tapping noise? Tap, tap, tap. Tap to the tap. It sounds like something's loose and flapping against the bottom of the car, probably on the driver's side. But I can't really isolate it or locate it because I have to be out here flying down the highway for it to present itself.
That is constant.
It does it all the time when you're going 65, 70 miles an hour. I don't know how fast the technician was going when he claimed he couldn't hear it, but it's really bad today, and that's why I was trying to record it. I hope you can hear that. I've got almost 2 minutes of video, so the only way I'm going to be able to send it to you is to put it up on YouTube and send you the link, because that's going to be a huge file. But it's just banging away. I hope you can hear it. Everybody's out of my way so I can move my speed up. I'm now doing 73.